Hello everyone, today what we've got is a broadband router. Boring, yes, I know, but we're going to do something quite interesting with this one today. We're going to destroy it. Now, this thing is generating 12 volts, as you can see, with a standard 2.1 by 5.5 millimeter barrel jack. Now it just so happens that 48 volt power supplies, such as this CCTV system here for powering over Ethernet cameras, also uses the same power connector. Now what would happen if you accidentally plug the 48 volts into this? Now for all those that say why you're destroying a perfectly good piece of equipment, this thing is ADSL1 only compatible, so it's obsolete. It doesn't work on UK networks anymore, so it's completely utterly useless. So I'm going to do something fun with it. Just need to get rid of all this shite that comes with it. Telephone adapter, the 12 volt adapter, because we won't be needing that anymore. So, right, let's try this. 48 volt power supply. Plug it in. It's already switched on at the back. And let's see what happens. Oh, it's going to trip the power supply up. That's not good, is it? So it's not quite pop though. No. Power supply is brought up as well. Oh, has it? Oh, what an interesting smell. You can see something like this can very easily happen. Oh, power supply still works, that's a bonus. Now, first things first, let's take this apart. God, it stinks. Well, can't see anything obvious about it. Oh, there we go, there's a MOSFET that's gone there. You see? I think it's dead, Jim. Probably could have been blown up some more if I had power supply that has a decent amount of power. Let's do that. Right, got the bench power supply. We'll set that to maximum output 30 volts. There we go. And say 5 amps. Right, have to blow some shit up. Negative on a convenient earth point. Positive on terminal. Tried soldering some wire to it, but it just won't have it. So, shot. Nah. Something's got its output 26 milliamps. That's no fun. But fortunately, I have this. Oh, dear me. I think I've got a bit of magic smoke. Yeah, I think that's probably enough now, because I think I'm just going to fill my house full of smell burning electronics. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching.